People keep asking how I get these colors from my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This is the footage straight from the camera and this is the final result. This process is very simple and completely free in DaVinci Resolve. So let me show you exactly how I do it. Inside Resolve, go to the color page and create 4 serial nodes. On the second node, apply DJI's official D-Log M to Rec.709 LUT. You can download it for free from DJI's official website. On the first node, before the LUT, I adjust the exposure and white balance until the image looks balanced and natural. On the third node, after the LUT, I fine-tune the contrast and add a little saturation. Finally, I use the fourth node to create the overall look. I make a subtle adjustment using offset until the colors feel the way I want. If any of my adjustment looks too strong, then I simply reduce the strength of that node, and this is the final result. This simple workflow works for me most of the time. Try it on your footage. It's easy, natural, and free.